Hey, that this is Ning with an awesome video. I'm going to show you how you can project your cash flow in Google Sheets. Very useful but extremely powerful. Alright, so we are going to talk through how we can add information to break the system and how we can graph out what our cash flow is going to be over time. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add then break your information to see how your net income and your net cash flow processes over time. Regular monthly expenses, so you can kind of copy and paste through our without too much work. And then lastly, I'm going to show you how we can convert this into a powerful table style report using Slicer for an extremely dynamic report. Thank you so much for the video. See you guys. Good night.